Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking you off the beaten path to explore some of the UK's best kept secrets. Forget London and Edinburgh. These hidden gems are going to blow your mind. Let's dive in. First up we have St. Nectan's Glen in Cornwall. This mystical waterfall is tucked away in a magical woodland. Legend has it that this place is sacred, and you'll feel the energy as soon as you arrive. It's perfect for nature lovers and photographers alike. Don't forget to bring your wellies, it can get a bit muddy. Next, we're heading to Portmeirion in Wales. This quirky village looks like it's straight out of Italy, with its pastel-colored buildings and stunning coastal views. It's a great spot for a weekend getaway, and you'll feel like you've been transported to the Mediterranean. If you're a Game of Thrones fan, you'll recognize this next spot, the Dark Hedges in Northern Ireland. This hauntingly beautiful avenue of beech trees is straight out of a fairy tale. Visit early in the morning or at sunset for the most magical experience. Just watch out for White Walkers. For a taste of old-world charm, head to Rye in East Sussex. This medieval town is like stepping back in time, with its cobbled streets, timber-framed houses, and quaint tea rooms. It's the perfect place for a relaxing day trip. Just don't forget to try their famous scones. Last but not least, we have Glencoe in Scotland. This breathtaking valley is a paradise for hikers and outdoor enthusiasts. With its rugged mountains and stunning views, it's no wonder this place is often called the Jewel of Scotland. Trust me, you'll want to bring your camera for this one. And there you have it, 5 hidden gems in the UK that you absolutely need to visit. Whether you're a local or a tourist, these spots are sure to leave you in awe. Let me know in the comments which one you're adding to your bucket list. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss out on more amazing travel guides. See you in the next video.